In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tag people on Instagram. So what you want to do is open up your Instagram account and go ahead and create a new post. So go ahead and add a picture to your post like you normally would here, like I'm doing. And then what you would do is you would just hit next. And then once you're here, there's an option at the bottom there that says tag people. Go to tag people, and then you can either add tag or tap to tag people. So you can tap on the actual post there or image or video, and then you can begin searching for your friends or people who are even not your friends that you can tag or will allow you to tag them. And if you can't, you can go to invite collaborators. You search for another user and add them as a collaborator, and they can collaborate with you with their followers on different things as well. If you want to do this for a post you've already posted, go to your profile where your different posts are, and then go ahead and find a post. As you can see, here's an image that I uploaded not too long ago. If I wanted to tag my wife in this photo, what I would then do is tap the 3 horizontal dots at the upper portion of the screen to bring up the settings. Then you would go to edit or the pencil icon, and then you're going to see a button that says tag with an addition symbol on it. Go ahead and tap that button to bring up the tagging options, and then go to tag people. Once you do that, it will bring up the ability to tap the image and then go ahead and begin searching for a person to tag. And then you just tap in there just like so. You tap that person just like so, and that tags that person. Tap done, and then you can see that person is now tagged in that image. That's how you tag people on Instagram. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.